Here I have HUAWEI P Smart, and let me show you how to remove the Google account from the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Here you need to find and select the settings right here. From the following list, let's scroll down and choose accounts. Here let's choose your Google account right here. And this is your Google account, your settings. If you would like to delete this Google account, let's choose remove right here. This is the remove key. And removing this account will delete all of its messages, contacts, other data from the device storage. If you are aware of this, let's choose remove. And that's it, you just remove your Google account. And right now your device is free of Google account. So that's it, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.